crafty friends, it's Arva. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to show what I received back from the Folio swap that was hosted by Maymay Made It here on YouTube. This was a swap from back in July, so I've had this for a little while, but again, you know the story. I didn't have the phone, couldn't record, so I decided to wait before taking them out of the package so that I would be able to share with you guys what I received. So, the swap, we were supposed to create a folio based on a tutorial that Maymay had done. So I will leave a link to that tutorial in the description box below. And the only real requirement is that we use the base of that folio and that we have at least 7 spots for 4x6 photos. She also had a few extra videos where she showed some additions that you could put on to the folio. That was not required. You were only required to do the absolute base album. But if you wanted to add some of these other flips and waterfalls and things of that nature in, you could. So let's get into what I received. So the first one is from Kimberly Myers. I do not know, this was obviously a swap that we didn't know who was participating. We didn't have any of their social media, but I will try to locate the 2 ladies that I received back from. So if I can find them on Instagram or YouTube, the information will be in the description box below. So for this first one, I received from Kimberly Myers from Ohio. She used craft for her base, and look at that gorgeous paper. For you guys that don't know, I'm a horse person. I'm a horse lover. I've been riding since I was around 5 or 6 years old, so I love horses. This is the perfect folio for me. I love the muted florals in this collection. This is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So let's open it up. She's got a magnetic closure. So over here, she's got this cute little chipboard piece. Pull it up so you can see. There we go. She's got a little boy working on a saddle with his little dog, and the horse is looking on. And so here we have this photo mat, and she does have it on both sides. A wood grain texture piece here, and this one has the stirrup and the horseshoe, the gate with the lock here. So cute. And then on this side, that looks like it was a horseshoe in the back. The florals, another photo mat. And then she's got a horseshoe and it says Grace. When you flip this way, we have a pocket. It says good luck with a 4-leaf clover. And then we have this booklet. I just love this paper. I can't say that enough. Then on this side, we have another photo mat. She took one of the ephemera pieces, Lucky in Love, and she popped it up, but she's left it open so that I can tuck the photo in. And it flips this way. On this side, she has a photo mat with cowboy boots, the hat, the horseshoe. So cute. And then we have the lady here on chipboard with her prize-winning pony. Another photo mat. And then on the back, oh look, a lady and her horse. Wow. Very beautiful image. Thank you so much, Kimberly. This is beautiful. I love it. So let's get into the next one. The next one was created by Vanessa Farmer, and she is from Leander, Texas. I love the florals that she uses collection. It says you and me, and then happy here in the script and memories. And she's got this floral die cut image here. And then she's got a magnetic closure as well, and she covered it with a sticker here and one here. She's got a border strip here. Really pretty. All right, on her pocket, she's decorated with some stickers. It says, hello, friend. Let's chat. Good friends, good times, and a heart. And she's got this booklet here. She's done a landscape booklet. It says, truly wondrous. And then on the inside, she has a rose, beautiful and incredible. And then on the back, it says, love it all. This collection, this paper collection used is so pretty. It says, make today amazing. Then we have this little watering can with a floral bouquet. And it says, so great. And it flips over. Then we have a sticker here that says lovely, one that says happiness. Then we have the crown with the florals, the chair, and it says Queen for the Day. This album would be perfect for Mother's Day photos, or, you know, if you go out for a birthday brunch, something like that. I think this would be perfect for that. Then we have a sticker here. It says Delightful, and she's added 2 enamel dots at the top. This really pretty floral dress sticker, and it says Wonderful. And it says, You're so fun. This makes me so happy, and laugh on this photo mat. And then on the back, she's got this really pretty black background with the pink florals. So Vanessa, you did an incredible job as well. So again, these are the 2 folios I received back from the swap. I really hope I can find something from these ladies so that you guys can go and show them some crafty love. But that is it for today, guys. Take care and have a blessed day. Bye.